Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to perform design rule checking during the circuit design process. Make sure the schematic is correct. It is a crucial step to ensure the quality of subsequent PCB designs. Design rules checked by Capture software. It can help designers identify potential problems during the design phase. For example, single-ended networks, duplicate network names, lost pin numbers, etc. Avoid problems that are magnified later. This enhances design efficiency and product reliability. Let me give you a detailed introduction. First, open the schematic using Capture software. Select the entire design or schematic folder in the Project Manager window. Click PCB Design Rules Check in the menu bar. The Design Rules Check window will pop up. In the Options interface, you can set the scope, mode, and other options for design rule inspection. The Online DRC option can set whether to enable online design rule checking. The DRC action option sets the scope of the DRC. It could be the whole design. It can also be the selected schematic folder. You can remove DRC tags from the entire design. You can also delete the DRC tag in the selected schematic folder. Use Properties Mode option to set property mode. You can choose between occurrences or instances. The warning option can specify whether to create a DRC flag for the warning message. Waived DRC option can set whether to keep exempted DRC. The Show DRC Outputs option specifies where DRC results are displayed. You can choose not to display in the report, display in the DRC window, or display all. Reports can specify the output path and file name of the DRC report. In the Rules Setup interface, electrical, physical and other related rules can be set as needed. Check the batch option after checking the corresponding rule. Represents detection when running DRC. Check the online options. Representative online real-time detection is to check the single-ended network. Yes, check for no driver source and pin type conflicts. Check for duplicate network names. Yes, check cross-page connector connection. Check off-page connector connections. Check hierarchical port connections. Check unconnected bus nets. Check unconnected pins. Check power pin visibility. Check missing or illegal PCB footprint properties. Check PCB footprint in configured path. Is to check whether the PCB package is available under the configuration path. Check normal covert view sync. Yes, check whether the normal view and conversion view pin numbers are the same. Check incorrect pin group assignments. Is to check whether all pin types in the same pin group are the same. Check high-speed props syntax. Is the syntax for checking network speed properties. Check missing pin numbers. Yes, to check that the pin number is missing. Check device with 0 pins. Check power ground shorts. Yes, check if the power pin name is different from the network name it is connected to. Check name prop consistency. Is to check whether each instance of a hierarchical block has the same name attribute. Check SPICE model path. Device pin mismatch. It is to check that the device pins do not match. Hanging wires. Is to check for unconnected wire ends. Overlapping wires. Is to check for overlapping wires. Part reference prefix mismatch indicates that the bit prefix does not match. Port pin mismatch checks if there is a mismatch between the hierarchy pin and the port definition. Shorted discrete parts checks the pin shorting of discrete components. Invalid pin number checks for invalid characters in the pin number. Physically shorted pack short is a pack short pin that checks whether an object is physically shorted. In the Report Setup interface, electrical DRC reports and physical DRC reports can be set up. Report all net names is to list all net names in the report. Report off-grid objects is to list objects that are not on grid points in the report. Report hierarchical ports and off-page connectors list all hierarchical ports and off-page connectors in the report. Report misleading tap connections are bus taps that report errors and missing. Report visible unconnected power pins. Report unused part packages is to list unused part packages in the report. Report invalid refds is to list invalid tags in the report. Report identical parts references are listed in the report. In the OrCAD matrix interface, you can define connection rules between different types of pins. In the OrCAD matrix, Settings W indicates a warning for connections between such pins. Setting Z indicates an error for the connection between such pins. No flag indicates that the connection between such pins is a valid connection. Click Restore Defaults to restore default settings. In the Exception Setup interface, click the Add New button. You can add DRC warning numbers that you want to ignore during DRC checks, or click Remove to remove the ignored DRC warning number. After all settings are completed, click Run. The software will automatically perform a DRC check. After checking, the results will be displayed in the DRC window. Includes various warnings and errors. Double-click the warning or error message in the DRC window. Problems can be automatically located in the schematic, under the Outputs folder of the Project Manager. The DRC report file is also automatically generated. You can double-click to open it for viewing. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.